Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some grandma core inspired home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Grandma core inspired home decorating is a cozy, nostalgic interior style inspired by the warm, lived-in feeling of a grandmother's home. It celebrates traditional furnishings, vintage details, handmade crafts, floral patterns, and sentimental objects rather than perfectly matched modern decor. Here are some grandma core inspired home decorating tips to make your space feel warm, nostalgic, and charming. Create a tea station. Arrange tea cups, a teapot, a small tray, and a pretty sugar bowl together on a kitchen counter or sideboard. Try vintage-style curtains. Choose gingham, tiny florals, lace, or simple ruffled curtains for a cozy cottage feeling. Decorate with quilts. Fold a patchwork quilt over a sofa, armchair, or the foot of a bed. Add a vintage-style tablecloth. Floral, embroidered, crocheted, or checked table linens can instantly transform a dining area. Display a collection of plates. Hang decorative plates on a wall or arrange them inside an open cabinet. Add a traditional wall clock. A classic wooden or antique-inspired clock can become a charming focal point. Use wicker and baskets. Open baskets are great for storing blankets, magazines, craft supplies, or everyday items. Decorate with dried flowers. Place dried flowers in old-fashioned ceramic pitchers or glass bottles for a simple, nostalgic touch. Create a cozy bedroom. Layer a quilt, floral cushions, a soft draw, and a fabric lampshade to create a welcoming atmosphere. Use embroidered details. Embroidered pillowcases, napkins, towels, and wall pages add a handmade character. Add a small writing desk. A traditional wooden desk with a lamp, notebooks, and a small vase can create a lovely old-fashioned corner. Bring in traditional lamps. Fabric shade table lamps and floor lamps create a softer, homier atmosphere. Decorate with books. Stack old-looking books on a coffee table, shelf, or bedside table for an effortlessly collected appearance. Add little seasonal touches. Change flowers, table linens, wreaths, and small decorations throughout the year while keeping the overall style consistent. Use vintage-inspired containers. Ceramic jars, glass canisters, metal tins, and wooden boxes can make ordinary storage decorative. Include natural wood. Wooden stools, shelves, cutting boards, and furniture help balance the softness of floral fabrics. Use mismatched pages intentionally. Different chairs, cups, plates, and small furniture pieces can create the charming collected over time feeling associated with grandma core. Let your home tell a story. The most important tip is to decorate with things that feel meaningful and comforting to you, not simply things that look vintage. Add a vintage style dresser. Use an old fashioned wooden dresser in a bedroom, hallway, or living room. Create a floral centerpiece. Put seasonal flowers in a ceramic pitcher or vintage style vase for the dining table. Try gingham accents. Gingham cushions, napkins, curtains, or table joiners can add a cheerful cottage touch. Display a vintage sewing basket. A woven sewing basket can work as both decoration and practical storage. Decorate the mantel or shelf. Layer framed artwork, small ceramics, candlesticks, books, and flowers instead of leaving the surface empty. Add a cozy window seat. Place cushions, a quilt, and a few books beside a sunny window. Use floral bedding. A floral quilt or bedspread can become the centerpiece of a grandma core bedroom. Try a vintage-inspired telephone table. A small traditional table can create an interesting old-fashioned corner in an entryway. Use fabric lampshades. Floral, pleated, or softly patterned lampshades can make lighting feel warmer and more traditional. Keep a basket of blankets nearby. A open basket filled with cozy throws makes a room feel practical and welcoming. Create a little garden-inspired corner. Combine potted plants, botanical artwork, a ceramic planter, and a small wooden stool. Focus on warmth rather than perfection. Grandma core works best when the room feels comfortable, personal, and genuinely lived in, not like a showroom. Create a cozy breakfast nook. Pair a small wooden table with traditional chairs, floral cushions, and a simple tablecloth. Use a vintage china cabinet. Display teacups, bowls, serving plates, and treasured ceramics behind glass doors. Decorate with pictures. Ceramic or animal pictures make lovely vases for flowers and greenery. Display handwritten style recipe cards. Frame a few recipe cards or arrange them in a small recipe box in the kitchen. Use a traditional rug. Choose a softly patterned rug to make a living room, bedroom, or hallway feel warmer. Create a cozy sofa arrangement. Layer a quilt or knitted throw with several different floral or textured cushions. Add a small antique style stool. A wooden stool can work as a plant stand, bedside table, or decorative accent. Use decorative storage tins. Vintage-inspired tins can hold tea, sewing supplies, craft materials, or small household items. Make a reading basket. Keep a basket beside your favorite chair with books, magazines, and a soft blanket. Add a small embroidery display. Frame embroidered flowers, landscapes, or traditional motifs as wall art. Use curtains with a little detail. Ruffles, scalloped edges, lace trim, or small floral prints can enhance the nostalgic atmosphere. Decorate with fruit bowls. A wooden or ceramic bowl filled with seasonal fruit can make a kitchen or dining room feel homely. Add a simple wall shelf. Display tiny vases, framed artwork, ceramic and miniature plants on it. Bring in wicker furniture. A wicker chair, basket, or a small storage space works beautifully with Grandma Core's natural, handmade feeling. Thanks for watching the video.